Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do centers in our Google Classroom. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to access the centers and complete them according to your teacher's directions. So how to do centers. First, you'll need to go into Google Classroom. Then you'll need to click on Classwork at the top. Click on the section for our virtual classroom. Enter Present Mode and click your teacher. Let's see what those steps look like on the computer. So first, we will need to go to Google Classroom. Once we're here, make sure you're clicked on the Classwork tab at the top. That's where you'll find all of your assignments. Then, click on Virtual Classroom and Centers. You'll enter the classroom using the picture at the bottom. And things can get a little bit complicated if you're not working in present mode. So once you enter the classroom, make sure you click this rectangle right here that says present. This will enter full screen mode and make the links clickable for you so that things don't move around by accident. Then you'll click on your teacher and click on the center. For today, we're doing writing. So we'll click on the Writing Center, and you'll need to make a copy. So always click on the blue button. If it gives you a blue button for an assignment, make sure you click the blue button because that will give you access to the center. Then you will click and drag the circles to show which letters are in your name. R, A, M, B, and O. That spells Rambo, and that is my last name. So I found all the letters in my name, and now I'm going to move on to typing my name. First, you'll click inside the box, and then you'll move the line to the end of the words. Then find the large backspace key on your keyboard and click it until you get all the letters to go away. Then you'll find the letters in your name on the keyboard and type your name. Then you can repeat it as many times as you want. So click to the end, hit the backspace key, type your name. Click, click to the end, backspace till they go away, type your name. Click, click to the end, backspace until they go away, and then type your name. Then you can practice typing your name again using the computer screens. Same thing here. You click in the letters, then click to the end, press the backspace key until all the letters go away, and type your name. Then on the next page, you will click and drag the school buses to spell your name. So first you need to find the first letter in your name, then the second letter, the third letter, the fourth letter if you have 4, the fifth letter if you have 5, and continue until you complete your name. On the next page, it asks you to spell your name. You can type it if you want and write how many letters you have inside your name. I have 5. Same thing right here. You can type your name, you can build your name. And then on the next one, you can build your name using magnets. I'm going to make sure to use a capital letter for my first letter of my name. And then for every letter after that, I'll be using lowercase letters since not every single letter in my name needs to be uppercase. On the next one, I get to build my name out of seashells. Click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. And then on the very last page, I get to spell my name with clouds. Once you're done here, there's one more page to be aware of after this one. The last page in this center is a place for you to upload a photo of your work. So if you want to take a piece of paper, any piece of paper will work. You can write your name using a marker, a crayon, a pencil on the piece of paper. And then you'll take a picture of it. Whatever your picture looks like is what you will upload into this box. You might need some help from your parent to help you upload the picture. This slide is up to you. And remember, it's all about practice. So in these centers this week, we are practicing using Google Classroom, we're practicing our typing skills, and we are practicing our letter identification for the letters in our name. So as long as you're trying your best, you're doing a great job. All right, we'll see you soon.